Hi, I am back with a new video. Okay, today we are doing contemporary India and education. Okay, in that we are going to do what is human rights, meaning of human rights, classification, nature. But in this video, we are only going to do about meaning. First, we need to know the meaning, right? Then only we can go further. So we'll go slowly, step by step. So in this video only, we are going to do human rights, meaning of human rights. Okay, so what are human rights? We are humans, right? We have some fundamental rights. Yes, basic rights, birthright. Yes, but that doesn't mean we violate the basic rights, right? Violate the human rights. We'll tell we have human rights, so we go and kill anyone. No, we cannot kill anyone, right? That is not a, we have some limited, human rights are limited power. We cannot violate them, right? We tell I can go and steal. No, we cannot steal, right? That doesn't come in human rights. We have some limited power given to us. Yes, the basic rights, fundamental rights, inherited rights. Yes, there are many rights. Yes, for education for all. Yes, irrespective of caste, creed, race, sex. Yes, yes, all are included. Even if they are Hindu, Catholic, but all have the same rights. Okay, it's not like Catholic को different rights है, Hindu को. No, all have the same human rights. They come under one category. The human rights. Okay. Yes. Birthright we have. Then fundamental rights, inherited rights. Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. They are universal. Human rights are universal, not only in India but other places also, other countries also. Okay. It is universal and one. They are all one rights. Okay. Yes. Basically human rights, contemporary India and education. Okay, so this is an important question in exam point of view. It can even come for 5 marks or it can come for 15 marks. Okay, so depending on that you have to write your answers. Okay, how many pages you have to decide. How I told you, at least 6 pages for 15 marks. Yes, and for 5 marks at least 2 pages. Okay. Yes. So depending, can even come 15 marks or 5 marks. Depending on that you have to write your answers. Okay. So we are going to do meaning of human rights. Okay. So human right basically are human beings are what? Born. They are born equal. They are born equal. Yes, in dignity and rights. Yes. These are moral claims. Yes, they are moral, right? Claims. We can claim those rights. They are moral, they are important for us. Yes, which are inalienable and inherited in all individuals. Yes, by virtue of their humanity. Okay, alone, irrespective of, as I told you, caste, color, creed, place of birth. Yes, it doesn't matter where you are born, India, China, but it is same. Yes, it doesn't matter which matter इंडिया में कौन से स्टेट में आप हो, बॉर्न हुए या यूएस में हो, इंडिया इज द सेम ह्यूमन राइट्स फॉर 6. फीमेल के लिए भी सेम है, मेल के लिए में भी सेम. ऐसे नहीं कि मेल को ही हम राइट्स मिलेगा, फीमेल को नहीं. वो लोग बोथ आर इक्वल. यस, कल्चरल डिफरेंसेस. यस, सबको इक्वल है. यस और नो? यस और नो? सो आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? Yes or no? Are you all understanding? Yes. So tell me what have you understood? Tell me as of now. Yes, or any other consideration. These claims, these claims are articulated okay, and formulated in what is today known as human rights. Yes, human rights are sometimes, what are they? Referred to as fundamental rights. As I told you, fundamental rights, basic rights, cultural, natural rights, birth rights, basic right, inherited rights. Okay, yes, and you can even make a flow chart about that. I made a small one depending on how the paper is. 15 out of 5 marks. You can make this flow chart big also. Okay, so human rights, basically fundamental rights, basic rights, okay, birth rights. You can make a flow chart also of this, but depend on how many marks this question coming. Okay, yes, so nature will go later. So have you understood what is human rights? Yes, basically we are born human, right? So we have rights, limited power. Yes, we cannot violate those powers, right? We cannot misuse those powers. We cannot go and kill, we cannot steal, right? We have the limited powers, basic powers, birthright, yes, property rights, yes, inherited rights, yes. So have you understood? If you have understood, please like my channel, my videos, my share my channel, subscribe please. आई गेट मोटिवेशन. आप जितना मेरा शेयर करोगे, जितना लाइक सब्सक्राइब करोगे, उतना मुझे मोटिवेशन मिलता है कि और आगे बढ़ो. यस, अभी मेरा 85 हो गया है सब्सक्राइबर. सो प्लीज़ मेरा और इंक्रीज़ कराओ, शेयर करो आप लोग मेरा वीडियो. ओके, यस, थैंक यू.